everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a Modakawa haul. And just to, tell you guys a little bit about Modakawa, they are a clothing company that cater to like all different kinds of fashion. So streetwear or grunge, all that kind of stuff, So they don't only have like one specific type, which is great for me because I myself love all the different kinds of fashion. So their website was really fun to navigate and stuff. And also they have a bunch of accessories and different shoes. But for me, I kind of just stuck with clothing for this one because they had so much clothing to pick from. So I would like to let you guys know that I do have a link in the description down below for all the items, as well as a discount code that they gave me. And without further ado, let's get right to it. To start off, in the package, they gave me just this little cute thank you for your purchase card, which I love that. That's so cute. Makes me feel, what's it called? Appreciated, And all the stuff I got is like all over the place. Like it's not, like I said, I don't only go for like one specific style. So you'll see that here. This is like a representation of that. So I'll start off with like the two dresses I got. So this one is like this little kind of, I'm pretty sure it's satin or silk, one of the two. I still don't know the difference between the two. But it's just like a silky kind of dress. And it is like very like simple, Kind of looks like almost a bit like a wedding dress, but like, anyways. But it's just like a plain little dress that would be great for like, something kind of fancy-ish or just like a casual event, And this one's cool because it has like this surpliced, like overlapping situation at the front. And it has built-in padding, so of course you don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath it because it has like the built-in thing here. And then it has like this really high slit, where is it? On the side here somewhere. There we go, right here. Like it's really high, kind of overlaps a bit. Oh, this looks so bright on the camera. It's like a really nice bright white. It looks very elegant. It's one of those kind of dresses, and it has adjustable straps. So that's always good because an adjustable strap is perfect because you don't have to worry about it being too long or too short because you can adjust it. So that's why I love that. And it has just the normal zipper on the back. So super easy to get on and stuff. And this one just with a pair of like white heels or black heels, of course your choice, would just be like a nice look. The next dress I got is this really pretty, I'm gonna go with like a peachy kind of pink. Yeah, but it's like one of those kind of princessy gowns. So like a poofy gown, and it has like a crisscross on the back, but the straps aren't adjustable, but that's okay. And on the front, it's just like a little like kind of V-neck almost, you see it? And it also does have the built-in padding too. And it has like little kind of mini-ish, like small pleats like sewn in, so the dress has like a cooler like design on the skirt part. It is a very flowy gown. I mean, look at that. I love flowy gowns because they just look so elegant to me. And this color is just really pretty. I don't have this color. I mean, I was gonna say it looks really similar to my skin tone, but it doesn't. It kind of complements it in a way, But it is like a really nice dress. I think I definitely wear this with like a pair, let's say, I think either beige heels or just like a pair of white heels, of course. White is like the normal that like obviously would go with it, but I feel like beige would just like complement the dress. I also forgot, I did get one more dress. This one is not like those ones. It's not very elegant. This one's more of like a casual, like kind of summery dress, which is perfect because I love me a summer dress. So this one, it has like this kind of corset situation that is in the back. I'm not sure. I think you can put it in the back to like tighten it, or you can put it in the front to tighten it. It's all your choice. So I tied it at the back, but I might try it at the front. I'll show you guys that actually. So as you can see, so it did come with ribbons. It came with 2 ribbons, so if you lose one, you have an extra one, or you could double lace it if you want. It's all up to you. And it does have tieable straps. So I mean, that's like the equivalent to an adjustable strap, so that's pretty good with me. And I love this little floral print. It also has like this kind of little square design. It's kind of like the material though. But I love this material because it's very flowy and stuff. And these pink flowers on the like kind of eggshell white color just looks so pretty to me. And this is just like the perfect, as I would say, like running through grass type of dress. I don't know, that's how I see it, because in the movies that's what they do. But like this would be so cute to wear to like a little picnic or going out or just normal stuff, like fun stuff, you know? So next item, this pair, originally I thought they were sweatpants, but they feel, I'm not sure how to explain it. Like the material is very different than I thought it would be. But yeah, I'll go with that. It kind of reminds me of like a canvas type of material. Very interesting. But they're like a high-waisted pair of these just loose-fitting pants. It has like this little kind of cross-looking thing, like embroidered in on the left side, and then it has a drawstring. And they had this in multiple colors, but you know, I always go with like a simple color for certain kinds of pants just because, you know, it'll go with more. So I got the normal black, they had white, and I think they had like other like colors, maybe red or something, but you know, me, simple color. But yeah, and it has an elastic waist. But this is just one of those like plain pairs of sweatpants type of thing. Well, not sweatpants, but you know, like casual pants. So I would definitely wear that with like a white top or just like any color top, because of course black goes with anything. But yeah, I feel like you could really dress this up in a way and make it like a really cool outfit, or you could just wear them as like a pair of comfy pants, you know? This next top, obviously, first off, the colors remind me of like Brazil, because these are their literal colors. But it's like one of those like body print type of tops, so it just has like that kind of print on it, as you can see. And it has like what's it called, like even like a little necklace print almost kind of looking thing on it. And in the corner here it says girls in green and yellow. I just find it like a cool looking top, because like these kind of tops are very popular right now, so I knew I was gonna get one at some point. It's just like a cool design. It's very like streetwear-esque, and I just love the colors. Like they had different colors, but something about the yellow and green was just like drawing my eyes to it. And that's what you want in a top, because obviously you don't just want like a plain subtle top. Like I feel like the eye-catching ones are always the coolest to me. So I love the way it kind of looks like a thermal type of thing going on. But it's just like a cute little top that could go good with like a pair of like black pants or a pair of denim jeans. Just like any interesting normal pair of pants. Not interesting, but you know, just so you can like really make the top the statement piece. But I love the way it looks, and especially since I don't have a top in those colors or in that design, it's nice to finally get one, because you know, I love getting different kind of tops. I don't think I've worn one of these in forever, but it is a bodysuit. And these ones, the whole purpose of a bodysuit is basically just to have like a top that stays tucked in. So they're very worth it when you want like a what's it called? Like a very clean tucked in top, because sometimes when you tuck in your tops they get a little bunched up. So that's the purpose of bodysuits. So this one is just plain white, and you know, I'm not gonna go with like a really interesting color, because you know me, I love simple tops and stuff. So I got just the plain white one, and it's just like a tank top design up here. And it basically, it kind of looks like a bathing suit. So you wear it like that, and then you put like your bottoms over it, and it just looks so seamlessly nice, you know? But this one is just perfect as like a basic for your wardrobe, which are good things to have. So I definitely wear that with a pair of like cool pants. Like I've been seeing people wear them a lot where they like hike it up really high. Obviously I'm not going to do that, but that's like kind of what people do. But they're just perfect for like the look of like a tucked in kind of top. That's why I got it. It's really cute though. Okay, next, this is like the one sweater I got. I was just drawn to this just because I love like a simple printed sweater, and this one reminds me like very like grungy kind of streetwear look, so I wanted to get it just because of that reason. And so it's like this skeleton like ribcage print black zip up, and I got it in a size large because I always go 2 sizes up for my sweaters for my normal size, so then it fits baggy, which this one is very baggy. But yeah, so it has like this kind of plasticky feeling print rib cage on it with like a little heart here, and it's like a little devil heart, which is just very interesting. And then it has the same on the back, but it just doesn't have the writing like it does on the front. Like on the front, I think it just says mod, like M-O-D. Just, it gives it like a little bit of like an interesting thing, because people are gonna be like, oh, what does that stand for? And you could totally make up something, which is, that's what I would do. But who knows, maybe it does actually mean something. It could be Modakawa. Anyways, but point being, yeah, so it's just like a simple-ish kind of zip-up hoodie, which I love them. And this with maybe even that white bodysuit, like a white top underneath and a pair of like dark wash denim jeans would look really cute, I think. Or just like any kind of pants. You could even wear this just as a normal like sweater, like a comfy sweater, because it is like a very thick, soft material. So that's a perfect sweater for like the spring, I feel, because obviously spring is a little chilly still, so it's nice to have a cute looking sweater to wear. Okay, next I'm gonna go with items, because they're both the same, they're just different colors. These are kind of like bralette, not bralette, they're more like bra kind of tank tops. So like a ribbed tank, but they're like a one sleeve type of thing. So they have like this short like little strap here, and then this little like thicker like tank top strap, and it has built-in padding, just to let you know. So these ones would be great, especially for if you're wearing like, let's say a zip-up top. It'd be cool to have it like underneath your zip-up top, or you can wear them on its own, of course, but they are a little on the shorter side, so it's easier, I think, if you know, wear it with something. That's what I would do personally. But I got it in 2 different colors just because I like the look of it, and I just feel like they're good basics to have. So I got it in this like dark gray color and in this kind of like apricot khaki color. Not apricot, this is not apricot, khaki kind of color. So yeah, but they are just really cute tops. I love the look of them. They're good, simple tops to have, even though they don't look like tops. They're a little short, but it's like, you know, it's good to have them for like, you know, what is it? Layering. There we go. Layering. They're perfect for layering. Next top is this. It feels like canvas, basically. Like, it's like those pants, but it's like a corset top. So it ties up, or it like, it's, what is it, all tied up on the side here. So I already did it. It came with the strings out, and I had to loop them through, which is fine. And they're stretchy strings, so you could really tighten it to how you want it to be. So it has like, oh, laced up, that's what I meant. So it's all laced up on the sides there, and it has like these wires going through the front so it doesn't like roll up. But it's just like a little corset top. So it obviously does not have straps, but it stays put because of these, since you can tie them. And this one, I only got it in black, just because I know that they have different kinds of colors, but I love like a simple like black top, because I just feel like they look so classy to me. And so this one will go good with any pair of jeans. I would definitely wear it with a low-rise pair of like dark wash jeans. That'd be a really like cute, like kind of Y2K-ish look, I think, with a pair of black shoes. Yeah, I'd love that. But anyways, I like this top. It's really cool. I don't have like a top like that, so I'm happy I have one now. Next is this cute little printed short sleeve. So it's like a baby tee almost, as you can see. So it just has like this one butterfly, like that's a little bit bedazzled in the middle. Then it has like these 2 little butterflies. And I love this pinkish mauve kind of pink color. Really pretty. And it just gives such a Y2K vibe because of all the little flowers everywhere. It's just one of those like dainty little tees that I love. And it's like a V-neck. So this with like a long sleeve underneath for layering would look really cool, or just on its own with a pair of jeans I think would just be a really nice look. I just love the color. I don't have anything like it. And little like cropped, well, not really cropped, but like crop printed tees are the way to go, because they just go so well with everything. Last item, this is a little denim skirt that came with a belt, a little brown belt with like this butterfly buckle. Super cool to me, but I love this one because of the top hem. It's all like distressed, so it's one of those like uncut, or not clean hemmed thing, unhemmed, there we go, skirts, which I found really cute. And it's kind of like a cargo skirt almost because of the pockets, but obviously, you know, it's not actually like supposed to be a cargo skirt. But I love the little like, not ruffles, what are they called, the what are they called, dang it, the pleats on this I feel really add to. And the length, I mean, it looks pretty short, but it's not, I feel, because obviously you can wear it low rise, you can wear it up more, especially with the belt. I mean, you don't have to wear the belt with it, but I feel like the belt really adds to it. It's very cute, and this would go good with any pair of not pair of, I keep saying that, any top, any sweater, anything really, just because denim goes with everything. But I love the way this skirt looks. It is so cute. Also, it's size small, and it came with the belt, like I said. So I think it even came with like a matching top too, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the skirt. But you can choose to get the top, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, Modakawa. I can't wait to wear all of these items, especially since most of them are very springy. And it's spring right now, so I'm so excited for that. And I would like to mention once again that the links for all of them are in the description down below, as well as my discount code for you guys to use. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.